Madiners, currently we are open for South American engineer, especially for second engineer, third engineer, and fourth engineer to join with our FSU and LNG ships. This ship currently in shipyard in Shenzhen, China, and the next it will be going to Colombia. So we are open for South America to fill all crews in these vessels. Yeah, the requirement for these vacancies is for engineer you need to have experiences in LNG, the same type of the ship, of course, and steam turbine experiences or steam vessels. Yeah, this is very mandatory for these vacancies. So if you are have experience, even it only one contract with steam engine turbine, it's possible to join with us. Yeah, the salary is very competitive. This is for negotiable salary, so you can say exact your expectation to us when you are send your application to our email or our link database. Okay, we will waiting your application to our link database or our email. We will provide you in this video description. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend in South America. Bye bye.